Your account provides you with several lifestyle benefits that are the perfect complement to the local and online discounts also offered. Let's talk about the peace of mind protection benefit your family will love: 24-hour roadside assistance. To check it out, I'll open up my app and head over to the More section, the last icon on the bottom toolbar, right here. Or if you're on an Android phone, you can find that More button in the upper right-hand corner. Here's what you need to know. This benefit is a 24/7 coverage and is free to use on covered services up to $80. That's right. If you find yourself on the side of the road and need a tow, the first $80 of service is on us. You're eligible for 4 services every 12 months. And second, you can dial directly from the app. Locked out of your car? Open up the app and click the button right here for 24-hour roadside assistance. Or write down the number and put it in all your family vehicles for that little extra peace of mind knowing everyone will be taken care of.